Okay, good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, we have a new child today. Okay, in our class, a new child came today. Okay, and her name is Shisa. Okay, Shisa, welcome. Okay, Shisa, can you hear, ma'am?
Welcome, sister.
Okay, Shisa, welcome. Say something. Say hi to your friends, Shisa.
Hi.
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 Okay. Okay, Shisa. It's a new child for our class. Okay. So, okay then. So, last class we discussed place. Are you remembering? Are you remembering? Can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes.
last class we discussed about the place. Okay. And we saw one digit number and two digit number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the one digit numbers. And for writing these numbers, we need only one place. And also we can say these numbers are in the ones place. Okay. And the smallest one digit number is 1. And the biggest one digit number is 9. Yes or no? Are you remembering?
Yes.
Yes. Then we come to the two-digit number. Okay. So two-digit numbers are starting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's up to 99. And we have the smallest two-digit number. Lakshana, smallest two-digit number.
10.
We have 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. And Shankar Krishna, biggest two-digit number. What is the biggest two-digit number?
99.
99. Very good, very good. You are very happy today. So we have the smallest two-digit number 10 and the biggest two-digit number 99. And these two-digit numbers, for writing these two-digit numbers, we need two places. Okay. So which are the two places we need to write these numbers? They are ones and tens. Okay. They are ones and tens. Now let us explain with an example. Then we will do some exercises which is related to tens and ones. Okay. Let me share the screen. Let me take the board also for writing. So today we are discussing about a place, okay? And for a two-digit number, we need two places to write, and we have ones and tens. We have ones and tens. So last class we discussed about the number 34. Okay, this 34 having two digits. Okay, 34 is a two-digit number. 34 is a two-digit number and having two digits. Which are the two digits? 3 and 4. The digits are 3 and 4. And there is a right place. This is the right place. Okay, this is the right place, and this we will call it as ones place. Okay, and this is the left place. Okay, this is the left place, that we will call it as tens place. Okay, so 34 is a two-digit number having two places. Okay, and we can also see 4 is in the right place, we will call it as ones place. 3 is in the left place, we will call it as tens place. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, let me ask another number. Okay. Let me ask another number. We have 65. Okay. We have the number 65. Ritik Sunil. Ritik Sunil.
Yes.
What is the place of 5? What is the place of 5, Ritik? Is it ones or tens?
Once.
Ones. Very good. The place of 5 is ones. Nilha, what is the place of 6? Nilha, what is the place of 6? It is, I can't hear you. I can see the lip movement. It is tens. Okay, it is tens. Okay. Now, Ananya. Ananya. Please unmute Ananya. Tell me one two-digit number. Ananya, tell me one two-digit number. Ananya, tell me one two-digit number. Okay, Ananya.
32.
32. Very good. So we have the number 32. We have number 32. Okay. What is the place of 2? What is the place of 2? What is the place of 2? Ananya. Ananya, what is the place of 2? Is it ones or tens? Ananya, what is the place of 2 in the number 32? It is ones. It is ones. What about the 3? What's the place of 3?
Tens.
Tens. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we have 2 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. So we get the number 32. Okay. Krishna Raj, tell me another number. Tell me another two-digit number.
15.
68. We have the number 68. So what is it, ones place, or which is a digit in the ones place? Ones place, which digit or which number?
1.
What is the digit or what is the number at the ones place? The number or the digit at the ones place is
8.
8. Very good. Then what about the tens place?
6.
Ah,
6.
what is tens place?
6.
6. 6. So we have the digit at ones place is 8 and the tens place is 6. Okay. Okay, the board gone again. Let me take the board once again. Okay, so we have the number 68. The ones place digit is 8 and the tens place digit is 6. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next we have next. Okay, the next, let me ask. Ishan Krishna, tell me one number. Tell me one two-digit number. Ishan Krishna, tell me
99.
29. Okay, we have the number 29. So the ones place digit is? Ones place digit? 9. What about the tens place digit?
2.
2. Very good, very good. Okay, so all of you please take the rough book and pencil. Please take a rough book and pencil. All of you
Okay,
please take a rough book and pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. You can take a rough book and pencil. It's not clear. Yes, yes, tell me. Please take a rough book and pencil. Okay, we can write together. Okay, now WRITE. What is the word WRITE?
Right.
Right, very good.
Right.
You also write in the rough book. WRITE. Right. THE. The. Very good. So write the
Numbers. Number.
place.
Place.
Place. Write the place.
Place.
Write the place. 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 OF. Write the place of. Write the place of. Write the place of the THE. The. Write the place of the encircled. 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 What's the meaning of encircled? Something is inside the circle. Here, in the number, one digit is inside the circle. That is encircled. Write the place of the encircled. ENCIRCLED. Encircle. Encircle digit. DIGIT. Write the place of the encircled digit. So what we are going to do? We have to write the place of the encircled digit. Encircled digit means some number or some digit will be in the inside the circle. Okay, so that digits place we have to write. That digits place we have to write. So we have the first number. Let me write the first number.
Yes.
Okay, so we have the first number. You can put A. And the first number is 48. First number is 48. And the circled digit is 8. Circled digit is 8. Aman, what is the place of the encircled digit in the number 48? What is the place of 8?
1.
Ones. Very good. Good boy. So we can write ONES. 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 So in the number 48, 8 is encircled. So the encircled digits place is ones.
I finished.
Okay. So we will move to the next one. And we have B. And the question for B is 27. The number is 27. And the digit which is inside the circle is 2. Abel CB. What is the place of 2 in the number 27?
Tens. 7.
What is the place of 2 in the number 27? Is it ones or tens?
Tens.
Ah, tens. Very good. It is tens. The place of 2 in the number 27 is tens. The place of 2 in the number 27 is tens. Then we will move to the next number. Next one, that is C. And C we have 50, 50. And the digit which is inside the circle is 0. Johan, what is the place of 0 in the number 50? Unmute the device and say.
Ones.
Ones. Very good. So the answer is ones. The answer is ones.
Am I finished?
The answer is ones. Then we have D.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, good. The next one is 72. The next number is 72. And the encircled digit is 2. Abhinav TS, what is the place of 2 in the number 72? What is the place of 2 in the number 72?
Tens.
What is the place of 2 in the number 72?
Ones.
Ah, ones.
Ones.
It is ones. It is ones.
Tens.
And next we have E. Next we have E. And E, the number is 99. Both the digits are same. Both the places, the same digit. And Jeffrey, look at the screen. Tell me the place of 9 which is circled in the number 99.
Ones.
Very good. It is ones. It is ones. It is ones. Next we have F. Next we have F. The F question is 60. The question is 60. And the digit which is encircled is 6. Hala, tell me the answer. The place of 6 in the number 60.
Tens.
Very good. Good girl. It is tens. It is tens. It is tens. Next we have G. G. And the number is 78. And the encircled digit is 8. Avish Boban, where are you going? Tell me the answer. The place of 8 in the number 78. The place of 8 in the number 78.
1.
Very good. It is ones. It is ones. It is ones. And we have the last question, H. H. And the number is 35. The number is 35. The number is 35. Allah Arun. And the encircled digit is 3. Encircled digit is 3. Allah, tell me the answer. The place of 3 in the number 35.
10. 10.
Tens. It is tens. It is tens. Okay, okay. So now you understood the place of ones and tens. Okay. The next class we will discuss about the place value. Okay. Last class we completed the number names up to which number? Are you remembering? Till 70. Okay, till 70. Today we can write the 71. Okay. So
Ma'am, finish.
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
180.
Ma'am.
So numbers
Ma'am.
is numbers 71 to 80.
Ma'am.
Numbers from 71 to 80.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Finish.
Okay, very good. So next we can write the number and the number names. Okay, for the numbers 71 to 80.
U. M.
Elvin, what is the spelling of 70? Elvin, what is the spelling of 70?
F.
N 70 T Y. Okay, very good. Now 71. So we can write the spelling SEVENTY 71 ONE 71. Next we have 72 SEVENTY TWO 72. Again, what is the spelling of 70? What is the spelling of 70?
SEVENTY.
Good, very good. Good boy. So we have the next number 73. SEVENTY 73. THREE 73. 73. Sankalp, switch on the video. '73. Next number is 74. Next we have 74. And SEVENTY 74. FOUR 74. Then we have 75. 75.
TYON.
So we have SEVENTY FIVE 75. Sarah, what is the spelling of 70? Sarah, please unmute. What's the spelling of 70?
SEVENTY.
Very good girl. Okay. So we can write the next number 76. SEVENTY 76. SIX 76. 76. Hadia, where are you?
73.
Hadia, what is the spelling of 70? Please unmute the device. Yeah. Eh, Very good. 70. Okay, you continue. Yes. Next we have 77. Okay, very good. 77. And 78. Tell me. Okay, you take time and write. You have enough time. Yes. Very good, very good. Let others complete it. So we have next number 78. EIGHT. 78. 78. Good. Next we have 79. SEVENTY. 79. NINE. 79. SEVENTY. Then we have the last number 80. EIGHTLY. Sorry, no L is here. So we have EI. We have 80 EIGHTY. 80. EIGHT 80. So the place value we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, we will discuss the place value tomorrow. Krishnanga completed the number 80. Yes, good. Good boy. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay, good. Very good. Let others complete it.
Ma'am, you message.
Yes. Sure.
Ma'am,
Yes.
finish.
Very good. Let others complete it. Some are still writing, so let them complete.
I'm finished. No. Ma'am,
Yes.
finish. I'm finished.
Okay, Elvin. Very good. Shankar Krishna completed the number 70. Riddhik Sunil, very good. Okay, Riddhik Sunil, very good.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, say I have completed. Okay.
Amanda, finish it.
Finish. So by this, I am winding the session today. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow.
I finished.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.